Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we are doing a transformation on my client here who definitely had a lot of breakage going on. And she came in and just said, you know what, after about almost a decade of being natural, it is just time for me to make a change. So we started off by cutting a lot of the hair on her ends that I already knew were not going to survive through the relaxer. And as you can clearly tell, with just 2 snips of a pair of scissors, the hair is already looking in a better place. But what we decided to do was a texturizer rather than a full-on relaxer. The reason why I did a texturizer was because I could normally actually tell that she was more fine textured, and I didn't want her hair laying flat on her head and just taking all of the body out of her hair. So instead of doing a full relaxer, we did a texturizer instead. And then we are just now preparing her to go under the dryer and air dry for us to silk her out and give her a proper haircut. Now, I always say this to you guys when it comes on to services like this. I don't recommend doing texturizers or relaxers at home. I highly recommend getting it done by a professional who understands the integrity of the hair and the anatomy of the head and will also steer you in the right direction rather than just doing something for the pocket and not really caring. Now, what I'm doing is just going through and silk pressing her. I cannot give her a true haircut. This is what we call a custom haircut or a corrective haircut, customized haircut, whatever you want to call it. But all haircuts to me are customized to my client. So in her case, silking her out was very important. If you remember from previous videos, I do not recommend cutting the hair while it's in texture or it has texture in it, mainly because the hair is going to retract in places where we cannot pull it with enough tension, and you're going to just set your client up for having to get a haircut later on. So instead, it's best to do it this way so you can see everything and the cuticle is laying nice and flat. Now, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, thumbs up this video. And please remember to also follow me on Instagram at Elite Hair Care USA, where I also post a lot about hair care and photos and all that stuff there too. Now, she's ready for the actual cut. I did put on the cutting cape because I wanted you guys to be able to see what I see and see where the damage really lies. So to start her haircut, I went ahead and utilized the clippers. The clippers are the easiest way for me to get a straight line really fast. One thing I can say about cutting with shears is it is very easy to have a human error when it comes on to lines, okay? So keep that in mind, you guys, if you're a hairstylist. Shears are very, very easy to create human error, so that's another reason why I just use my clippers to start my guide, and then I can go through and fix whatever needs to be fixed. Now, with me saying that, while I'm doing the remainder of her haircut, which I am doing a little bit of notching just to kind of blend her hair in, we are starting an Elite Affiliates program for our licensed professionals out there. This program is designed for us to be able to build a network of stylists that are trained the Elite Hair Care way when it comes on to alopecia and hair care. We'll give you guys more details later on as to how to become an Elite Affiliate, but number one rule is you do need to be a licensed professional in your state in order to be an Elite Affiliate. And what entails being an Elite Affiliate? Basically, you would be listed on our site as an affiliate available for clients to book you, because we have clients that call us from all over the country and we can't service them because we're located in one specific location. So why not have a network of stylists that are trained as an Elite Hair Care Pro that can service the client as well? So you guys will get more details about that in a later video. Now, let's talk about care. Because she has a texturizer, she is still going to treat her hair as if she was fully relaxed, but it still allows her to have a little bit of texture left in the hair. So if she washes her hair, she will have to silk it again, or she can wear it as a wash and go, or if she chooses to, she doesn't have to silk it at all, but she will still have that density in her hair. Now, for styling purposes, this is really easy because I've already silked her out. So usually when I do my styling, I take nice large sections. I am one of those stylists where I do not believe in those 1/2 of a meter partings. I just feel like you're just taking the client through literally nothing at this point. So at this stage of the process, all the little lines don't need to be done. I can do a style in nice large sections. Furthermore, I don't want to subject my client's hair to any unnecessary heat, especially because it's not required. She's already silked. She's already primmed up. All I have to do is style her and send her out on her way. Like, I don't like to long the service out. But I do want you guys to take note at how shiny and polished her hair is looking at this stage of the process. And another side note, our Goddess Polish is returning. It'll be available come April. Sorry, I got tongue-tied. It'll be available come this April, where you'll be able to now have a thermal glossifier that also has heat protectant properties in it, and it leaves the hair with this brilliant shine on the exterior. Now, for those of you that are wanting to add or enhance the shine in your hair, we also recommend our shine enhancing shine booster treatment. I'm so tongue-tied today, you guys. Our shine booster treatment, which is a actual conditioning treatment that is also a shine booster as well. And then the Goddess Polish can be used after the fact. Now, I want you guys to comment. Tell me what you guys thought about the change or the haircut itself. She has a little more life to her hair. She is still fine textured, you guys, so that does not change. But as we've always said, you can give the illusion of fullness, and that is exactly what we were going for. So I was super happy. She was super happy. And now she can go and just start her hair care journey in the right direction, because she was just not in a great place before this. So yeah, always happy, always a good thing. Anyhow, you guys, don't forget, comment, tell me what you guys thought about her haircut. And then, of course, another sidebar, our Elite Masket hair fibers will be available April the 1st in the colors black and brown. This product has been a product you guys have been asking for, so it's now here.